Hey there, how are you? What is happening? Thank you so much for tuning in again. I'm excited today to talk about what you need to start to get into the vending machine business. Okay, so this year, if you're getting into the vending machine business, you don't know where to start, you don't know what to do, this video is for you. So, down below, like, comment, and subscribe. You definitely want to tune in to the other videos that I got coming up because they're going to be dope as well. So if you know someone who need this video, go ahead and share this video with them. Who knows, maybe you guys can get started in the vending machine business together. So let's go ahead and get started with number one. All right, so what you need to get started in the vending machine business is you need a business entity. So I know people love to say LLC, LLC this, you need an LLC, start a business, you need an LLC, but really you need a business entity. So a business entity could be anything. So proprietorship, LLC, you need to find out what works best for you. And the best way you're going to find that out is speaking to the person who prepares your taxes. Now, if it's Tay Tay from down the street, I don't know about that, but you want someone who knows your situation and who can tell you what is best for you in your current situation. When I started, I did start with an LLC. And then down the line, I did move because I moved into an S Corp because it made sense for my business. You have to worry about what makes sense for you. All right. So that's what business entity. The next thing that you need is a business license. Every state, every city, every county, y'all, are different. Everyone has some sort of rule about business licenses, business permits, and you just want to make sure you're doing what you are supposed to do in your city and your state and your county in regards to it. So you do need a business license slash business permit, okay? And that kind of leads into business insurance as well. Every business is different as far as like the place that you're going to place the vending machine in. So if you're placing it in a mall, they sometimes want insurance. If you're placing it in a school, they want insurance. If you're placing it in a laundromat, they might not want insurance. So it depends on where you are, what type of locations you're placing your vending machine in. But insurance is so cheap, you guys. I promise you, you can find insurance for less than $4 a month. Like it's super cheap. Don't worry about, oh my gosh, I have to pay all this money for insurance. Don't worry about all that. Next thing that you need is you need a business bank account. Do not commingle your funds. Don't just go up to your vending machine business, take out a wad of cash that's like $200. And now, when you need something, you're going out to eat, you go in your business bank account and take the money out, right? You debit, that cash, and then you go out to eat and splurge on your friends. We're not doing that. You want to do it the right way. So you want to have a business bank account where you are paying yourself it could be biweekly, it could be weekly, whatever you're paying yourself, pay yourself the right way. Do not commingle funds. You're going to get in trouble for that. But a business bank account, which is separate from the regular bank account that you have. All right. Next is you want to scout locations. There's so many people who jump into the vending machine business and they have a machine. And I'm like, why? Why did you buy a vending machine and you don't even have a location? You're doing what I call vending backwards. You don't want to vend backwards because you can get into a whole heap of mess by buying that machine first. Let's say you buy a snack vending machine, right? And then you get a laundromat, but the laundromat, they wanted a drink vending machine. Now you got to find a drink vending machine. Let's say your brother your brother is helping you to place your vending machine in a location. So the vending machine you purchase, it's a little bit too large to go inside of the doors for that location. Now your brother has to take the door of the vending machine off just to get it in the location. How annoying is that? No, you want to get a vending machine that can fit into the doors. You don't want something huge and bulky, right? That can fit into the door of that particular location. I'm not saying taking the door off a vending machine is going to be like the end of the world, but I am saying you want a vending machine that's going to fit whatever location that you are placing your machine. So location first, buy the vending machine second. Okay. Just want to make sure that's clear. Okay. Next thing after you got the location, then we can scout vending machines. And the reason is when you have the location, you know that that owner wants a specific machine. That owner is going to be like, listen, Chrissy, I would love a snack vending machine. Chrissy, do you have one of those lash vending machines? You know, like the pink one, honey? The one that lights up on the side. Like, I really like that one. Can I get that one, Chrissy? So you want them to tell you, or you want to suggest to them the best vending machine for their business. Okay. That's what you're going to do. That's what you're going to do. So we're not doing any type of buying the vending machine first. We're not vending backwards. Not this year, not on my watch. Okay. So that's what you're going to do. We're going to scout vending machines. And when you're scouting vending machines, of course, you're looking for vending machines that are in good working conditions. Okay. Good working conditions. I love vending machine, different brands and all of that, but it's all about which one is in good working condition. So I'm in my next video, I'm going to give you guys my top vending machines that I absolutely love, that are great brands, and some that you can actually scout yourselves. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Scout government contracts. So a lot of people are like, Chrissy, locations, locations, locations. Like, how am I even getting some of these locations where I can't even get into the front door? They won't let me in, Chrissy. What you're going to do is government contracts. Like, government contracts are the bomb. They're even city contracts. There are even county contracts out there. So all of these contracts you can actually get without like needing to go to every single location and scout these locations. Okay. So you can get to city contracts, county contracts, government contracts, and that's how you can get your vending machine locations as well. If you need a vending machine location for your business, please click on the link below. We are a vending machine location company as well, and we can find you a location in your area. So click on the link below, guys. And then the last thing I have to say is getting into the vending machine business, you want to make sure that you have all of your ducks in a row, all of your paperwork, all of your proposals. Do you have the contract? Do you have everything that you need, all of the forms and documentations? Because when you get a vending machine location, what are you going to give to the owner for them to sign? Do you have one? What do you have? Are you sure that in the rules and stipulations it mentions that that owner can't just run off with your vending machine? You want to have something in writing from these owners that says that you are the owner of that vending machine, because all it takes is for someone else to own that building, and now you can't even prove that that's your machine. So you got to have all of your documents in order to get ready and to get started in the vending machine business. Okay. If you need a list of documents, if you need those documents, you can actually click on the link in the bio as well. Click on the link below, guys. And I have documents that will get you started with your vending machine business and up and running. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this short video on the things that you need to get into the vending machine business, to be well on your way to get your first location, your first vending machine. And guys, if you follow the steps in the next video, you are definitely going to be well on your way and choosing the right vending machines that's for you. Again, I'm going to list my favorite brands of vending machines that I like to personally purchase. And it's good. It's great for you to have an understanding of what's good to purchase, why it's good to purchase those machines, and how to actually purchase those machines. All right. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more like this. And let me know, what other questions do you have so I can do a video about it. All right. Don't be shy, honey. Just comment. I'll see you later. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you. And I'll talk to you and see you later. Have a good one. Bye.